Good day everyone, I am Al-Muqtadir Manginla and together with my co-reporter Krisha T. Pilesio, we will explain to you the chapter 10, fossils. Of course, our learning objective for today is describe what is fossil and distinguish the types of fossil rock. But first, what are fossils? The word fossil is used to refer to the remains or traces of ancient life which have been preserved by natural processes in the sedimentary rocks. Fossils represent the only direct evidences of ancient life. They may be found as preserved skeletons, bones, and cells of the organism or as preserved impressions of the behavioral activities such as tracks, traits, footprints of the organism. Use of the term fossil is usually restricted to the remains of organisms that died before thousands or millions of years. It is widely accepted that any organic remains found in the rock older than 10,000 years can be termed as fossil. Use of the term fossil is usually restricted to the remains of organisms that died before thousands or millions of years. It is widely accepted that any organic remains found in the rocks older than 10,000 years can be termed as fossil. The organic remains younger than 10,000 years and that are still under the process of fossilization are known as subfossils. Fossils are very important because with the help of this, we can able to know or study what really happened in the past millions of years and trace what living organisms are present in that time. The word fossil is come from the Latin word fossus, which means have been dug up. The process of remains becoming fossil is what we call fossilization. But the question is, how is a fossil formed? So there are 4 steps how fossil is formed. Sediments, layer, movement, and erosion. In sediments, an animal is buried by sediment, such as volcanic ash or silt, shortly after it dies. Its bones are protected from rotting by the layers of sediments. In layers, more sediments layers accumulate above the animal's remains and minerals such as silica, a compound of silicon and oxygen, slowly replace the calcium phosphate in the bones. After layers is the movement of tectonic plates or giant rock slabs that make up Earth's surface, lifts up to the sediment and pushes the fossil closer to the surface. And for the last step is erosion. Erosion from rain, rivers, and wind wears away the remaining rock layers. Eventually, erosion or people digging for fossils will expose the preserved remains.